Okay, so there's something about furries that I don't do, that I do. Well, okay, there's something that no other furry does, but I do. Hold on. When I yawn, watch this. Did you see that? I don't know if you did, but yeah, subscribe if you saw that.